been in the industry for 18 years, and I've worked for some really big name restoration companies, some small guys, and just felt like I was a number, and I felt like the homeowners were also a number. Really wanted to dedicate a team and our times and efforts to each person through the whole process and make them not so much a number as an individual customer. We can cater to their needs with an individual team from start to finish. You're dealing with the same people. We're a 24-hour emergency service. You call us 2 o'clock in the afternoon or 2 o'clock in the morning, someone's answering that phone, and it's typically a project manager. They're gonna get out to the project right away to evaluate the damages. They're gonna dispatch a team that's right behind them, and we're going to put you at ease because we know that it's a stressful situation. We're basically gonna walk you through what we need to do. We're gonna be setting up equipment, doing the emergency services, get everything done. If it's in the middle of the night or it's in the beginning of the day, we're gonna take care of all your needs in a timely manner. We deal with disasters every day. Disasters are going to happen whether you have somebody on your team or not. It's good to have the right team in place where we can come and kind of take the anchor off your shoulders, make it a lot easier for you. Our vision here is to help people through to the end, so at the end they actually have a smiling face and maybe even a renovated house with some upgrades after the fact. One of the big reasons that we're different from a lot of other restoration companies, we do the restoration, we also do the construction. We actually have a kitchen and bathroom showroom. We can actually bring our homeowners or our business owners directly to our facility. We can design their kitchen right here in 3D so they can see exactly what they're getting into. They can pick out from 7 different lines of cabinets. We can pretty much take care of everything here in one shot. So they can come here, when they leave, they're satisfied. Elite Restoration is unique in its own way because all of our technicians are certified. We really treat every home as our own, and we're with you every step of the way. Elite Restoration is the best guys to know in the worst situation.